Hi, today we're going to be exploring the customer loyalty features in Amicus. Amicus is a point-of-sale system with extensive business management and ERP features. One such feature is customer loyalty. Customer loyalty is very important in today's retail because it helps you retain customers, get them back, and have them spend more money and therefore increase your revenue. And at the end of the day, that's why you run your business. I've set up a test customer here for my example. His name is Mr. John Smith. His customer number is 4001. And he's a fresh customer. I've given him an email address and a mailing address and so forth. If I wanted to, I could issue him a card, give him credit limits or anything like that. But for this example, we're just going to use his number. I've set the system up to record 1 point for every dollar that John Smith spends. So every time we run through a sale, the system will calculate how many points he's eligible for and record that against his file over here. Let's go ahead and explore that. We have here our sales screen. We're going to go ahead and choose Mr. John Smith as a customer. I could have looked him up on his phone number, or I could have scanned his card using a magnetic strip reader if I'd issued him a card, or I could have also used his issued a card with a barcode number on the back. Mr. John Smith is going to buy more than $100 worth of goods right now because I've set the system up to issue a voucher for $10 every time, when you run the monthly process, or weekly, or whenever you choose to run it, and it'll issue a voucher for $10 for that customer. I'll give you an example. Let's choose apricots, $3.80. Let's choose 25 kilos of apricots. Oh, no, let's choose 29 kilos of apricots. Look at that, just over. And that's all Mr. Smith is going to buy. We'll cash him off. He's going to tender $120. And the sale's complete. Now if we go in and look at Mr. Smith again, there he is, and have a look at his loyalty, we can see that he's accrued 110 points. We can manually allocate points if we require. We could take away 5 points from him because he's been a bad customer, or we could even give him 10 points for being a good customer. And of course points are accrued at the time of sale. Now, once a month or once a week or whenever would suit your organisation, you can run the voucher wizard. I've set the voucher wizard up so that if you spend $100, if you have 100 points in the system, you're eligible for a $10 voucher. That voucher I've set so that it will expire within 30 days of issue. That's deliberate because you want your customer to come in quickly. You don't want them to think they can spend that $10 anytime they like. You want them to keep coming back. So let's choose the voucher wizard. We can run for all customers. It estimates that there are 1 customers eligible, which is a good estimation. We're going to precede the voucher number with customer. We're going to put in a starting number of 0, and we're going to pad the 0. We can even pad out the number of the voucher that's issued to say 6 digits. Mr. John Smith is going to get a $10 voucher, and nobody else is eligible at this time. We're going to run that through. The system will give us a CSV file which we can save. I'm going to replace an old one I have here. That CSV file can be used in any package to create stunning, visually appealing vouchers to send out to your clients via email or via print or any other medium which you decide. We've deliberately gone with the CSV rather than trying to print something out because the CSV is just so flexible. You can do anything you like with it. You can just use it in a mail merge in Word or in Outlook or anything you like. So let's go ahead and open this CSV. This particular machine doesn't have Excel on it, so I'm just going to open that in Notepad. But you can see here that we've got all the data that you might require for any kind of voucher that you're sending out. So where you're going to send it, email addresses, these email addresses there, all sorts of stuff. In particular, we have a voucher number here. There it is. It's that one there. Oop. I'm going to copy that. So you could generate your vouchers from that. And then Mr. Smith could come into the store and purchase 5 kilos of green capsicum for $14.50 and go ahead and redeem his voucher. You could just put in the voucher number in here. There it is. Redeeming $10. Note the amount that's already allocated. So there's $10 credit on it, and we're going to redeem all $10. The system will not let you redeem more than is validly allocated on that number, and it'll only let you redeem it once. Sale goes down by $10, and Mr. John Smith is very happy with you and keeps coming back to your store and spending more money every time. This is how we do customer loyalty in Amicus. It's very flexible, very extensible. You can choose all kinds of rules on how points are accrued by site or by customer, or double point stays, anything like that. You can achieve that. You can put double points on particular products, anything you like, to get your customers coming back, to keep your business on track. That's what we're about here at Nerd Technology, and that's how we do customer loyalty in Amicus.